icebergs on the beach. I am shooketh. Okay, well, let's just sit here. Let's go look at it. That person is barefoot. This is the beach, and there are icebergs. Hi y'all, I'm Ashton. In 2020, I was newly single and furloughed from my big city job, so I left Houston in the middle of a pandemic in search of a fresh beginning. I started by sailing from Texas to the US Virgin Islands, made some new friends, and got a great tan. Then I took myself on a solo road trip to see as many epic views as I could find in 4 weeks. Join me for season 2 with all new experiences, people, and places. I can't wait for you to see what I have planned for the ride. Subscribe and follow along. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. Good morning, good morning. It is day 4 in Iceland. I think I'm recovered from yesterday. Today's big day. We are picking up my camper van. I have rented a van from Happy Campers, and I will be road tripping the ring road. It's one big highway that goes all the way around Iceland. It's the cutest little place. All right, friends, my camper van. It's so perfect. And don't you worry, friends, I have yet to get lost, but on day 4, I can't even make it out of the camper van parking lot. Ugh. It's like a fake road. Why would you have a fake road? Why? Well, grocery shopping, let's go see. All right, this is the grocery store. Looks fairly normal. I just gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna make. Obviously, literally everything is in Icelandic and very, so you know what, just gonna, it looks like ham, right? Ham is ham. All right, we did groceries. I have 2 bags. This is my little fridge. No, it was not on. Okay, this is what I got for 10,900 popcorn. Oatmeal porridge. I really wanted to try the weird flavor of Pringles. And these 2 yogurts. I only have 1 pot, so we're doing 1 pot meals. So ravioli. I couldn't find any mac and cheese. 2 instant noodles. It's ramen. Gummy bears, because it's a road trip. Peanut butter and jelly. I felt really bad because they're massive things. A giant thing of coffee, you know me. I gotta have coffee like 6 times a day. Paper towels, bananas, a loaf of bread. So I got a pepperoni, roast beef, ham, turkey. I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure. It looks like lunch meat. Hot dogs, some more little pepperoni bites. Icelandic Gouda. I might be the most excited about that. 2 little milks for my coffee creamer. Pesto, Dijon mustard, and I paid an exorbitant amount for this, but it's my favorite coffee sweetener. So that's it. That's what I got. Okay, it doesn't seem like that much extra, maybe. Grocery run is done. It is 10:15 in the morning. Let's get on the road. Let's go drive the ring road. Oh, the other thing, apparently Iceland is like Texas. You can't buy beer or wine or alcohol at all on Sunday, and it is Sunday. I've read that you can walk in to like a restaurant and buy a bottle of wine and like take it with you. We'll see. I have no idea where I'm gonna end up today, or I should probably figure that out. So no alcohol, because Iceland is like Texas, and Sunday is God's day. Saturday is beer's day, I guess. All right, so this is the ring road. This is what we're driving. Apparently you're supposed to go counterclockwise, so I have to drive now back up to Reykjavik to hop on Highway 1. I mean, obviously, like, that's not even from Houston to Amarillo. Happy Campers gave me this really cool, little book with all kinds of, handy dandy information. Okay, first touristy spot today. I don't know how to say it. It is the bridge between the 2 continents. There's one giant tectonic plate or separation right in between Iceland. We didn't get to swim that like we were supposed to, which makes me very sad. Okay, this is not. So this bridge is separates the North American and the Eurasian plate. Okay, so I'm on the Eurasian plate right now. In that 10 seconds, I'm going to the North American plate. That's really cool. Yeah, welcome to the North American plate. Thank you. Thank you, Iceland. I'm so welcoming. I said the same thing when I got to Sedona. I wonder what Iceland would feel with the big thing. I wonder if they would feel like they're on Mars. This feels like Mars to me. The version. That's the American plate. That's the Eurasian plate. Okay. Our coffee, driving. We're seeing the world. We're doing it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I see my first waterfall. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! I am crying! It is, oh my gosh! Okay, I've gotta figure out how to get off this road and get over there! Oh my gosh! Okay, I say it's like something out of a movie. It's like a movie! Oh my gosh, that's it. Oh my god, and it just popped up out of nowhere. It was like flat land and then this! Oh my gosh! 898,000 people here. So I have no idea how I'm going to get any kind of shots. Now, I've got to gear up because it is freaking cold. All right, I can't start my little camper van. Banana. Parking. And we're gonna go see. So pretty! Wet, cold. Everything's gonna be soaked. Oh my god, holy moly! Realize I'm waiting for everyone to get their picture before I can jump up and get mine because I'm by myself and I have a whole setup. Most people all have people to take pictures for them and I'm trying really hard not to be frustrated. Makes a little bit more sense. I pulled up and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 giant tour buses in the parking lot. It makes so much more sense now. Bugs. It's not your travelers and your adventurers. These are your tourists. Don't be those people. Just don't be those people when you're out on an adventure. Wait. Just stop to take pictures. Small town over there. My little camper van. Okay, apparently I am on Waterfall Road because I made it like, well, I am on the main road. I made it like 5 minutes down the street trying to get to my campsite, and here's another waterfall that I gotta go see. And the sun's out. It's crazy. Like, that's not what I expected Iceland to look like at all. Okay, so this is a waterfall. This is Skogafoss. I can actually pronounce this one. Skogafoss. And apparently you can climb all the way up those stairs and go to the very tip top. That's a lot of stairs. But I had a ham and cheese and a donut at the bottom of Sandals, Stuffs, Floss, whatever the last one was. So I'm thinking I gotta just climb the stairs. That's a lot of stairs though. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna climb the stairs. I'm gonna regret it. I'll regret it real bad. You only live once. Whatever, let's go. Made it. It's all misty. Oh my. There's apparently like a whole other pathway. You can take one step here, it's not just the overlook. Oh wow. Oh wow. Friends, you've seen the top. Done it. Let's go get to our campsite at the end of the way. Let's do it. Back down the stairs. Okay, the wind is really whipping outside, so I'm gonna stay here. This is my campsite for the night, and you have everything from the girl next to me is literally sleeping in the back seat of her car. Campers. There's another camper like mine right behind me. Tents. You have everything at this campsite, but you have to see like what we're in the middle of. So hang on. Oh, and it's 9 p.m. and I still need sunglasses. Set up. So this is my camper van, and this is where I'm staying. All right, this is not the initial tour. This is what you're getting for tonight before I lay the bed down. Okay, so this bed comes all the way out and will take up all of this space. This is my cooler that has all of my food in it, all the cold stuff. This is my sink. And this is like a little pump, and then underneath here I've got like a 50-gallon water tank. And it's fresh water and it just goes straight out, okay? This goes to my battery. USB plugs. This is my heater. I haven't turned this on yet. These are my silverwares. These are my platos. These are, I've got one pot, and then I've got one pan, and then I've got a, this is very hard to do with such long legs. I've got a cooking stove, a 1-burner cooking stove, and 4 extra tanks. It's like not really tall enough for me to sit up, so I'm just slouching a little bit. And then it's got all of these. I got enough pillows and blankets for 2 people, and then I've moved all my luggage up to the front whilst I'm sleeping. And these just all come across, and that will have to be good enough because it's bright outside still. That's actually the moon right there. So yeah, this is actually like just barely long enough for me, barely. So I don't actually know how 2 people would fit in here. Oh, and the heater's like comes from down here. Oh, and all of this is like storage underneath here. So I've got one of my bags underneath there. So that's my camper van. And I'm just too tired and cold to do much more tonight. I'm gonna make some ramen and probably watch a movie and go to bed. We've showered, we have enjoyed our coffee. So I've got plenty of time, I'm well rested. We are gonna start today by heading over to the Black Sand Beach where Game of Thrones was filmed. I'm sure there will be 583 million people there, but we have a much better attitude. We have slept, we've had plenty of coffee. Everything is just, we're gonna stop and explore and adventure wherever the wind blows us. I know you've heard that before from me, so it always leads to a good story, I'm sure. Okay, rambling down, let's go have an adventure today in Iceland again, because it's beautiful and we're in Iceland. Yes, 'twas accurate when I said 582 million people. I mean, I know I'm just making up numbers, but holy moly. All right, made it, crazy hair and all, to Reynis Fjara. I think that's closed. Holy moly, you guys, look at this. Friends, I made it just in time. There's 4 of them. And just like that, the scenery has completely changed and we're flat. So interesting. Over here, there's been like 3 of them. There's something on the other side of this hill, so we gonna go check it out. Ew. Come on, little non-4x4. There we go. Okay, we're good. Why not? Oh, there's a danger sign. I like it. I like it. There's a danger sign. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that answers the question of whether it was a glacier or not. They call it a glacial lagoon, which do it this way so you can, they call it a glacial lagoon, and yes. Okay, see the rest of it over there? Well, rest of it. That's not, those aren't clouds. Oh, Ranta. Okay, I say fancy bridge. Oh, and this is a one-way bridge. You finally get to see it. So it's one car at a time. No double way. So you just gotta hope for the best. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You don't get to watch the bridge. You get to watch. Ah! Oh my gosh! Okay. Sorry for screaming in your ear. Okay, made it across the bridge. Y'all, this is pretty cool. Honestly, that one's close enough. I'd probably consider swimming out there if it wasn't like illegal. I'd consider it. I'd consider it. It's not that far, right? It's there. Okay, another stopping point. This side is on the beach side, and it's called s2ep26. No drones. I mean, anyways. The tour buses are leaving though, so maybe it's cool. I don't know. We're gonna go find out what this is before we go find the other side of the glacial pool. This is on the beach side. Glaciers on one side, beach on the other. Very odd. Very bizarre. Oh, there's icebergs on the beach! Okay. What? There's icebergs on the beach! I am shooketh. Okay, well, let's not just sit here. Let's go look at it. That person is barefoot. This is a beach, and there are icebergs. Yep, that guy's going. There's an iceberg floating down the waterway at the beach. Goodbye, bud. Going back to your people. These are like real life icebergs, chunks of ice. This black sand is like magical. Look at this! Chunk of ice. As tall as I am. And this sand. They're from here because he's in shorts and a tank top, and it is 10 degrees. Good for them. Iceland summer. Just driving along. Mountains behind me. Look, gorgeous. But I had to pull over on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere because I see this. Just a red chair, literally in the middle of nowhere. The sheeps are my favorite thing. Sheeps? Sheep? Singular? This red chair, though. I don't know. Okay, so it is 8 o'clock. I've now stopped at 2 campsites and have not had a good feeling. This one actually looks like something out of a horror movie. We're just gonna pull off right here and decide what we're doing next because, okay, if you just like glance in this direction, it looks like I could be in a horror movie. Okay, now this is beautiful. I might have to drive the rest of the way that I didn't want to drive tonight, but I have to find a bathroom or stop on the side of the road. I'm not sure what their laws are here. There's a sheep coming my way! Look at him. Hi, bud. Another RV, like a big RV, just went up there. And I'm kind of curious if they're gonna turn around. Because it was supposed to be this hostel that's made into a guest house that has campground. But there was like nothing up there. Like I immediately was like, this is sketch. We ain't doing it today. They didn't want to die either. I'm not alone. There is an update. Apparently I had the wrong address. Okay, I made it to the cutest little town that I can't pronounce. Skogafoss. I don't, y'all. But it's so pretty and cute. I'm definitely not gonna get murdered here. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I made it here. Look how cute it is. Oh. Okay, I made it to my campsite tonight. We're in a city that I cannot pronounce. That's a shocker to everyone. This is just the prettiest town. I'm so glad I made it here. Yeah, this is the name of my campsite. I don't even know where to start with that name. Campsite is up there, but apparently you come down here, down the street, and pay at the hotel from this one. He said I have to hide it. It's a bottle of wine. Be quiet. I'm gonna go check out this sailboat though and see what kind it is to send a Padre. I just love this place. I'm so not upset about the little detour I had to take. I love it. And I love that they let me buy wine. Also, I just switched over to my conversion app and saw that I paid $46 for this bottle of house red. And that was the cheapest thing on the menu. All right, we're cooking dinner. That is a mess. All right, cooking dinner tonight. Some pesto ravioli. I got some little sausages to put in it. Red wine. And apparently I'm very much on European time because it's 10:30 and I'm just now cooking dinner. I have this little background tonight. It's also 10:30 and it's still bright outside. It's just the weirdest little thing. It is unnecessary to put this on a plate. The spoon's so big. Good job, chef. Good job. This campsite also has a nice little wash station. So I'm taking all my dirty pans and my coffee press to rinse out over here. Also, it's almost midnight. So, still bright.
If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along on the next adventure.